EA Word Importer lets you convert your Word documents as Enterprise Architect model elements based on predefined configuration files, also known as profiles. EA Word Importer offers a convenient way to separate the details of profile definition from day-to-day users. This video will show how to get started with your first profile and reuse it to import Word documents into Enterprise Architect. Let's start by looking at the Simple Business Requirements document. The document captures functional and non-functional requirements, grouped as per relevance. The document outlines the heading styles used for each section and also outlines the following. 1. The table structure to be used to capture functional requirements. 2. Format to capture non-functional requirements additional properties as delimited named value pairs. To add a new profile for this document in EA Word Importer, click on a New button in the EA Word Importer dialog. The Create New Profile wizard will be shown. Start by choosing the Business Requirements document as the sample document. Specify a name and description for future reference. The document captured non-functional requirements properties as delimited named value pairs in the paragraph. To handle this in EA Word Importer, choose Delimited named value pairs in inline text option and specify the appropriate delimiter. The document captured functional requirements in Excel-like tables with headers in first row. To handle this in EA Word Importer, choose Header in first row option for element definitions. The wizard will now let you configure how the contents in the document should be imported in Enterprise Architect. Map Headings screen lets you map your document headings to respective Enterprise Architect model elements. Mapping Heading 1 and Heading 2 as Package, and Heading 3 as Requirement. Notice how you can also optionally ignore any identified style by just leaving it blank. The next screen in the wizard, the Map Properties screen lets you map the delimited named value pairs in your documents as Enterprise Architect element properties. This could be the list of predefined fields or custom tag values. Setting Priority field in the document is EA Priority, Status as Status, ID as Alias. Also setting text and signed off as tag values. The next screen in the wizard, the Element Mapping screen, lets you configure the importer to understand your Excel-like tables. Mapping the fields in the Functional Requirements Definition table as requirement element. Also mapping the individual columns headers from the table as Enterprise Architect element properties. ID mapped as EA element alias, name mapped as EA element name, description as EA element notes, priority as EA element priority, status as EA element status and version as EA element version. Hierarchy definition screen lets you define the hierarchical ordering of Word document headings to create respective hierarchy in Enterprise Architect model. EA Word Importer intuitively sets the document hierarchy based on document structure, but users can reset the hierarchical order and set a different hierarchical order. This completes all required configurations to import the Word document. Review the expected model structure shown in the preview panel and complete the profile creation. These profiles can be used by any team members using a similar document structure to capture requirements. Thus EA Word Importer greatly simplifies the process of converting your Word documents into Enterprise Architect model. Start defining your first profile now. Remember, if you are short of time, EA Word Importer team is here to help. Drop a note with a sample document and the EA Word Importer team will send you the sample profile to let you start instantly.